Hi there! With GoatSign 2.0, we've introduced a template feature. This feature allows you to set up your mostly used contracts as templates, which allows for easily reusability. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a template and how you're going to use it. So as you can see on my screen, I have opened a non-disclosure agreement, and this is a contract often used by our company. Now, the first step of converting this into a template is to identify its dynamic variables. And these are variables which varies for each time the contract is used. Now, these needs to be defined in a specific way in order for GoatSign to be able to recognize it. So as you can see here, I've already created a dynamic variable called company name. And the way to define them is by encapsulating the variable name in curly brackets. Now, the reason to all of these hyphens are just to prolong the variable name, due to the length of the variable name is determining how many characters is allowed for this specific variable in the signature flow. So as you can see here, I have insert signer name. So this is probably also a value which are going to vary for each time the contract is used. So I'm just going to convert this into a dynamic variable. So let's delete it, and then we enter signer name and then all of these hyphens, and then end it with the curly brackets. Now this is also a dynamic variable, and this might seem a bit tedious, but when you get used to it, it ain't that bad. So now the next step, when you've converted all of your dynamic variables into a variable which GoatSign can read, you need to convert this document into a PDF, and I already assume that you know how to convert this into a PDF, so I'm not going to show that. So the next step is to import it into GoatSign. So let's head over to GoatSign, and then I'll show you how to do it. So we go into templates, and then we click the create new template button. Then let's give it a name, and then we're going to attach the PDF which we've just created. And the next step is that I'm going to choose which flows this template is able to be used in, and then we'll give all the variables which GoatSign have detected new names, because these other ones aren't so pretty. So one of these more vague variables, I'm also going to give a description, and once I've just entered all of these information, we should be able to save the template and then have it ready for use. Alright, so now that we've created our template of the contract, let's try and use it in a signature request. So for this, we go into the signature request tab, and then let's select the others flow. Now first, we're going to give it a proper title, and hereafter we're going to select the template which we've just created. Now there's just to fill out the dynamic variables which we've created in the document. And as you can see here, onto the side we have the tooltip or the description that we entered for the more vague dynamic variables. So let's fill out the rest, and there you have it. Let's give it a recipient. I'll just add me, and then we are pretty much done. So press the submit button, and now the solution thinks and replaces all the dynamic variables in the PDF with the ones that we've assigned up here. So this takes a little bit of time because we have so many variables in this contract. But when it's done, as you see here, it has now replaced all the different variables which we defined before with the value that we've just inserted. Yeah, so this is pretty much how you create a template and how you use it. Now the only thing left is to sign it for the recipient, and then it's pretty much done. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks a lot, and I hope this helped. Have a good day. Bye bye.